Hey everybody, Ian here, TradeStalker.com with a quick recap for May 22nd, 2018. Well, you can see the levels here that Mike has given from the prior day as usual, and you can see that we had a gap open right up into this resistance, this 41 to 42 level, and you can see it. That's pretty much what capped the market for the entire rest of the day. We did get a pullback down to the 37.5 to 36.5 level, which did act as support initially for a double top action that formed again at the 41 to 42 before selling off again. We got some consolidation for quite a good part of the day, and then finally we broke down. But you could see how the market just kept bumping its head against either this 39.5 intermediate or the 36.5 to 37.5 level, like right here, was just to the tick. And Mike had mentioned, when we were up in this area, to be getting short something for the sell-off, and was giving some levels to get out on the way down. You can see though how this 28.5 to 27.5, we got a bounce here, a few point bounce there before it broke through. Even the intermediate, the 25.5, got a bounce, which gave you a chance to get it short again, back up here. And then finally made it down to the 22.5 to 23.5 level, which capped the downside and got a bounce into the close back up towards the 27.5 to 28.5 level. So overall, a nice trading day by the numbers. And Mike's there to guide you as well with how his take on the market and what he sees, which is always super helpful. If you guys have any questions, you can contact Mike at TradeStalker.com, and it's always worth checking out his ebook. You can pick it up. It's really cheap, and it definitely has a lot of good insight as to how he's trading. So ask him, send him an email about that if you have any questions. All right, take care.